Big brother has heard your murmuring. Tell big brother what you want.
I said I would love to change levels.
When you get back upstairs, you must pack your bag. Groovy. When you get back inside, you must immediately pack your bags and say goodbye to your fellow Level 2 housemates.
Be coming in and then this happens, you want. Stop. So sorry this is happening. I'm so sorry.
I swear I couldn't say shit. And I don't want to say anything now because I don't want to get myself in trouble. Do you get, like, I don't want to get myself in trouble. But you understand, like, better very soon, okay? I'm so sorry that I couldn't tell you. I just didn't want it to affect my chances of being on the show. So I couldn't say shit to anyone. Do you understand? I'm so sorry, huh? So sorry.
Listen to me, you cannot break down. You cannot lose your shit because of this. I know what I'm saying, Fina. I know. After this, just remember this. You came here for a reason. And you and I, this is not over.
Groovy. Proceed to the garden immediately.
Show them what they are missing. Show them what they are missing. We love you, bro. Show them what they are missing.
Show them what you are made up of.
Be eating at the garden. Show them.
Well, you and Chichi are running things.
Yeah, we're getting close. Wow. Like, she has literally wet her bed with tears right now. Because we literally just started like 2 days ago. So we were talking, like trying to get to know each other, then emotions are like starting to build up. You get, and obviously I couldn't say shit to her because I'd already had an idea because I had my diary session 2 days ago. But I still wasn't sure. You know, with Big Brother, you can't be sure now.
You can't be sure what's happening.
You get, but then when it happened, after it happened, when I got back up, I still couldn't say shit. You get.
But I was in this room when I was here.
The other one,
Yeah, I was in the other room, yeah.
So you never have to taste this high bed thing?
Nah.
And now you talk now when you did and this bed.
Yeah, but then like in that your former side, that red room.
The red room.
Yeah, the same thing.
You never taste the high bed now.
You're more fucking. Okay, you're in that room.
Yeah.
No. Now you say it's a game.
Like guess don't get so good emotion.
No, I need you to understand something, yeah? I don't want to say something, it's a game. Now game they're calling, I will call you. So even if I'm crying, we are playing a game.